Welcome. Today, let these verses be our spoken words, our prayer, and our proclamation. Words from the Bible that remind us of God's healing, His compassion, and His promise to restore. Jeremiah 30:17. For I will restore health to you, and your wounds I will heal, declares the Lord, because they have called you an outcast. In times when we feel forgotten, God calls us His own. He promises to restore us, to heal every broken place within us. Psalm 41:3. The Lord sustains him on his sickbed. In his illness, you restore him to full health. Even in our weakest moments, God is near. He sustains us, holding us close when we cannot carry ourselves. Isaiah 41:10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. We do not need to fear, for God Himself is our strength, lifting us up in times of need. Psalm 103:2-3. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits, who forgives all your iniquity, who heals all your diseases. Let us remember His blessings, His mercy, and His healing that renews us from the inside out. James 5:14-15. Is anyone among you sick? Let him call for the elders of the church, and let them pray over him. And the prayer of faith will save the one who is sick, and the Lord will raise him up. Together we pray, knowing that faith can move mountains, and in unity there is power. Psalm 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. God sees every tear and mends every wound. No hurt is too deep for His love. Isaiah 53:5. By His wounds we are healed. Through His sacrifice we find peace. Through His suffering we find healing. Let these verses be our prayer today. May they remind us of His promises, renew our hope, and fill us with peace. In every season of life, God is with us, healing, restoring, and holding us close. Be still and know He is God.